Good morning students. Last class we discussed about how to calculate the molecular weights of different compounds. So today we discuss about valency. What is valency? Valency is nothing but the combining capacity of an element with another element is called as valency. The combining capacity of an element with another element. Let me take one example. Hydrochloric acid. We know that the combining capacity of an element with another element is called as valency. Now we consider here first, if you want chlorine valency, how many hydrogens attached to one chlorine atom? One hydrogen. That's why chlorine valency is 1. Next, what is the valency of hydrogen? Now, how many chlorine atoms attached to hydrogen atom? One chlorine atom. That's why hydrogen valency also is 1. Next, example 2. H2S. If you want valency of sulfur, now we can identify how many hydrogens attached to sulfur atom? 2 hydrogens attached to sulfur atom. That's why sulfur valency is 2. Next, if you want hydrogen valency, here how many hydrogens is there? There are 2 hydrogens. But how many sulfurs is there? 1. 1 sulfur attached to 1 hydrogen. That's why each hydrogen get 1 valency. Hydrogen valency is 1. So understood, here 2 hydrogens is there, here 1 sulfur. That's why 1 hydrogen attached to 1 sulfur, another hydrogen attached to sulfur. So that means hydrogen sulfur. So that's why this valence is 1. Hydrogen sulfur, this is the 1 valency. Both hydrogen get 1 valency. Next, example 3. AlCl3. What is the valency of aluminium? But we know that already definition of valency. How many chlorine atoms attached to aluminium? 3 chlorines attached to 1 aluminium atom. That's why aluminium valency is 3. Next, example 4. CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. We need valency of carbon. but we know that combining capacity of an element with another element. But here, how many chlorine atoms attached to carbon atom? What is this number? 4. 4 into 1, 4 chlorine atoms attached to 1 carbon atom. That's why carbon valency is four. Now what is the valence of chlorine? Now this like, so 4 chlorine atoms surrounded by carbon atom. We need chlorine valency. So chlorine, carbon. That's why here this carbon attached to this chlorine atom. That's why it get 1 valency. This carbon, this one, 1 valency. This one, 1 valency. This one. Here 4 chlorine atoms to get 1 valency. So here 1 chlorine get 1 valency. Next, another definition is an atom loss of electrons to get valency. And second definition of valency is an atom loss an electron to get its valency. How to lose an atom electron? Whenever an atom involved in the reaction, it loses electrons to get inert gas electronic configuration or stable electronic configuration to attain the octet configuration. Example, one element lost 1 electron, it get 1 valency. 2 elements lost 2 electrons, it get 2 valency. 1 element lost 3 electrons, it get 3 valency. For example, sodium, atomic number is 11. This sodium atom lost 1 electron to get 1 plus. So this is 1. Sodium lost 1 electron to get 1 plus. That's why sodium valency is 1. Already we know that 1 atom lost electrons to get 1 positive. That's why it is 1 valency. An atom lost 2 electrons, its valency what? 2. An atom lost 3 electrons, what is the valence of atom? 3. Now second one also take magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. Magnesium lost 2 electrons to get Mg2 plus 2 electrons lost. This is the valence of magnesium. How many electrons lost? 2 electrons. That's why it get 2 plus. This is the valence of magnesium. Next, aluminum. Atomic number 13. Aluminum lost 3 electrons to get 3 plus. So what is the valence of aluminum? 3 plus. Why? Because of it lost 3 electrons to get 3 plus. That's why aluminum valence is 3. Now when we compare sodium, magnesium, aluminum, these all elements lost electron to get inert gas configuration. Now observe sodium, atomic number 11. It lost 1 electron to get 10 electrons. This 10 electrons equal to neon. Next, second one also take magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12. It lost 2 electrons to get 10 electrons. This 10 electrons equal to neon. So neon is the inert gas. Next, aluminum 13. It lost 3 electrons to get 10 electrons. These 10 electrons equal to neon. So all elements lost electrons to get inert gas electronic configuration. Next, third definition of valency. An atom gain electrons to get its valency. An atom to gain electrons to get its valency. An atom gain electrons to get its valency as well as to get inert gas configuration or noble gas configuration or octet configuration. Now observe example 1. Fluorine. Fluorine atomic number is 9. Fluorine gain 1 electron to get F1 minus. So whenever fluorine gain 1 electron to get 1 minus, this is the valency of fluorine. Fluorine valency how much, Nana? 1. Next, oxygen atomic number is 8. It gained 2 electrons to get O2 minus. What is the valency of oxygen? How much here is there? 2. That's why oxygen valency is 2. Next, nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 3. Nitrogen gain 3 electrons to get N3 minus. So what is the here number? 3. So that's why nitrogen valency is 3. One atom gain electron, it get 1 valency. One atom gain 2 electrons, its valency 2. One atom gain 3 electrons, its valency 3. Next, some more examples. But we know that already definition is there. An atom gain electron to get valency as well as octet electronic configuration or inert gas electronic configuration. We observe here fluorine atomic number is 9. It gained 1 electron to get total 10 electrons. This 10 electrons equal to neon electronic configuration. Next, oxygen atomic number is 8. It gained 2 electrons to get 10 electrons. These 10 electrons equal to neon. Next, nitrogen atomic number 7. Nitrogen gained 3 electrons to get 10 electrons. These 10 electrons equal to neon. All these 3 elements gain electrons to get valency as well as inert gas configuration. Next, take another some examples. Chlorine atomic number is 70. Chlorine gain 1 electron to get valency. What is the valence of chlorine? 1. Because of it gained 1 electron. Cl 1 minus. Next, sulfur. 16. Atomic number is 16. Sulfur gain 2 electrons to get S2 minus. Now what is the valency of sulfur? 2. How it is possible? Sulfur gain 2 electrons. That's why its valency is 2. Next, phosphorus. Atomic number is 15. Now what is the valency of phosphorus? 3. How you can identify? An atom gain 3 electrons to get 3 charge. That's why it is called as valency of phosphorus. Now how you can identify that these 3 elements get inert gas configuration? Now check it. Chlorine atomic number is 17. How many electrons gain? 1 electron. 17 plus 1 equal to 18 electrons. These 18 electrons equal to argon electronic configuration. Next, sulfur. Sulfur atomic number is 16. 16 plus 2 electrons. Sulfur gain 2 electrons. 16 plus 2, 18 electrons. This 18 electrons equal to argon. Next, phosphorus. Phosphorus atomic number is 15 plus 3 electrons gained. 15 plus 3 equal to 18 electrons. 18 electrons equal to argon. These all elements gain electrons to get inert gas electronic configuration. So this is about valency. Next class we discuss about 1 to 8 elements of valency. Thank you.